फेर लेते हैं नज़र, दिल से भुला देते हैं। क्या यूं ही लोग वफ़ाओं का सिला देते हैं। वादा किया था फिर भी ना आए मज़ार पर, हमने तो जान दी थी इसी एतबार पर। Welcome back my friends. Today going to be very special day, because today I'm going to take you to a very horror place, that is called Bhutaha Pond. At Bhutaha Pond there are lots of ghosts used to live once, and it must still there lots of ghosts. Whenever it is night, or or it is afternoon time, at that time people avoid that place going, because there are many examples where our villager, nearby villager, went to that place, at midnight or in the afternoon time, and they saw many activities of ghosts. So today I thought, and you may see that it's a very cold day today, and it's a severe cold today, and so I thought, why not take you to why not visit you to a new place. And you may see my village is you can see there my village. There are many families in my village, about it's more than 50 families in my village, and you may see here and there beautiful crop just growing, and that farm hasn't been plowed so far, and there's you can see some potatoes cultivation also was made over there. So overall it's a very sweet call today, and it's a fantastic weather as well. And right now I'm in empty place, and there are farms everywhere, and beautiful winds blowing, that just our face, and you may see that my muffler just shaking in the air, and overall it's a fantastic weather, and we are enjoying here a lot. And today I'm very happy that I will visit you today to a very special place, that is Bhutaha Pond, and I'm still fearing that after going there, because I see that you can see that's Bhutaha Pond. I will take you to very close to Bhutaha Pond, and there I don't find anyone here and there, and whenever there no one here and there, at that time it is very dangerous to go single over there, because many times, as I have already mentioned you, that many times it happened that a single person went there, any child went there, or any lady went there, girl went there, and something big happened, very dangerous thing happened to that one whoever went there single. So today I'm just going, because today I have to shoot a video, and I have to show you the scene of that Bhutaha Pond. So I know going there is very dangerous for me, but even then I will reach that place, and I will show you how Bhutaha Pond look like of our village. I get closer to Bhutaha Pond, my fear just goes higher. Yeah. So I'm about to reach. It is so famous for ghost that whenever any child, cries or weeps a lot, then they are just they are uh, told that if you will cry, I will take you to Bhutha Pond, and all the children also know that Bhutha Pokhar is very dangerous place. Yes, and then lots of ghosts and lots of horror activities always keep going over there whenever it is night or it is it is afternoon and whenever. And now you can see I'm very close to this pond, and I'm still fearing some snakes or other creature also can be found here. And it's a Bhutha Pond. I'm just going to that place with a bit fear, yes, but I can take this much risk for you to show. Yes, my whole body shivering with coldness and as well as fear of this pond, Bhutha Pond. You can see there is no one here and there, and when you come here with some of your friends, then there is no fear. Yeah, because 2 3 4 persons, if you come here, then that is okay. You need not fear, and because it is said that whenever you will be single at that time, ghosts attack you. That's a very dangerous time whenever you are single. But whenever you come over here with your friends, with your family, or with more than 2 persons, then it is safe, it can be safe for you. But even then, you need not to come at midnight, or you need not to come whenever it's a danger time for ghosts, or it's a time for ghosts to come out. That you should avoid coming over here. You can see it is Bhutha Pond. Bhutha Pond. Whenever you visit my village, then you should contact me, and I will take you to visit this place. This is a Bhutha Pond, and but even if you force me to come with you at night or in the afternoon time, ghost time, at that time I'm sorry, I will not agree with you, because I love my life very much. Yeah, so that's why if you also love your life, love your you want to stay on earth long time, then you should definitely avoid to come this place at night. Yes, you can see it is a big pond. Yes, and this is place for ghosts, especially for ghosts. So let's see that. I just showed you everything here and there and everywhere, but fortunately I don't see any sign of any ghost activities. Then I'm very happy, and I feel myself very lucky. Yes, now it's time to leave this place, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and some other day I would come, and I will take you to other part of this Bhutha Pond. It is not possible for me to go that side right now. In other video, in other day, I will show you other parts also. Yeah, that how Bhutha Pond look like, and I will also try to come in the night also. I will try, but not in midnight. In the midnight, no, it's not possible for me or any individual who loves his life. Yes, no one would come. So now it's time to leave this place, leave this Butha pond to home. So thank God that I didn't meet any ghost over here, and I didn't see any activities of ghost. So now I feel relaxed, and my body just now feels relaxed. So once again you can see my all the farms are some of mine, yeah, and other farms are belongs to my villagers. So thank you very much to watch all the video.